The continuous journey of development for the progress of Bihar and its people is moving forward. Today, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, is inaugurating and laying the foundation stones for development projects worth around 13,000 crore rupees from the sacred land of Bodh Gaya. Several important projects related to energy, health, housing, roads, water supply, and railways will bring significant improvements to the lives of millions of people in Bihar. In Buxar district, the first 660 megawatts unit of the 1320 megawatts Buxar thermal power project, being developed by SJVN at a cost of around 6,900 crore rupees, is being inaugurated today. This project will also help promote employment opportunities, industrial growth, and infrastructure development in the region. Through the visionary leadership of the Government of India, citizens are also receiving a major boost in healthcare services. In this regard, the establishment of the Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital and Research Center in Muzaffarpur has brought new hope to patients in Bihar and the entire eastern region of India. These positive initiatives will serve as a great support for millions of poor and middle-class families across the country. Along with this, today Prime Minister Modi will also hand over houses to nearly 16,000 beneficiaries under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in Bihar. Under this scheme, lakhs of families have already been provided with permanent homes. In the state, the 8 kilometers long Ganga Bridge between Onta, Mokama, and Simria, Begusrai, will enhance road connectivity between northern districts like Supaul, Madhubani, Araria, Begusrai, and southern districts like Shekhpura, Nawada, and Lakhisrai. Earlier, due to the closure of the old and dilapidated Rajendra Bridge for heavy vehicles, people had to travel about 100 kilometers extra. Now, this journey will be completed in just 8 kilometers, saving both time and fuel, and reducing logistics costs significantly. The new Ganga Bridge will provide major relief to people who previously faced long traffic jams on the one-way Rajendra Bridge. It will also strengthen local industries such as the Barauni Refinery, Barauni Thermal Power Station, Barauni Sudha Dairy, and fertilizer plants, while improving market access for agricultural produce to larger markets. The launch of the Amrit Bharat Express from Gaya to Delhi and the Buddhist circuit train from Vaishali to Kodarma will give Bihar a new identity. These trains will not only enhance passenger convenience but also promote the state's cultural and spiritual heritage on the global stage. To provide people with better clean water and a healthy environment, the Honorable Prime Minister will inaugurate several STP, sewerage network, and water supply projects in various districts of Bihar. All these projects reflect the Government of India's strong commitment to accelerating sustainable development, strengthening infrastructure, and generating employment opportunities. Bihar is now moving towards progress, self-reliance, and prosperity.